guys, I'm doing a quick video for voiceover because the audio was terrible. I'm heading to one of my favorite places in town, which is the Essex County 9/11 Memorial at the Eagle Rock Reservation. Let's go ahead and take a look. So the Eagle Rock Reservation sits on over 400 acres of land. It touches Montclair, Verona, and of course West Orange. There are so many distinguished features here. Hiking trails, there's a picnic area, softball diamond, on-site dining of course, and some gorgeous views of the New York City skyline. Generally, I just park up my car and sit here to admire the views, or I'll get out and get a closer look at some of the names. Regardless of the weather, this is a must-see right here in West Orange. I truly admire this place, which is why I think it's an important place to see. Especially if you want to be in a more suburban location where you can, of course, take a break away from home and enjoy the sceneries that are offered. But you come here with friends, you come here with family, and really just get a nice little view, especially when the weather is nice. And I'm usually here regardless of the weather. So yeah, if you guys want some insight on what's going on market in West Orange, currently we are at 24 homes listed for sale. They're spending about $557,000 on the market. Great community to come to and enjoy yourself. If you guys are looking for some more insights, just tune in next week, or you can reach out to me directly and I'll let you know exactly what's going on the market in West Orange.